Good day everyone. In today's computer class, we will cover second part of chapter 3rd, which is mail merge. In last video, we have discussed what is mail merge, what is its use, and what are the various steps of mail merge. There are 8 steps of mail merge. You can see here. One by one, we will discuss these steps. In order to start mail merge, you need to open OpenOffice Writer like this, and you can write a letter or an application in Writer. Here I have written a letter to invite friends for birthday party. Like you can read here, you are cordially invited with your family members on my birthday party as the following program: date, place, time, your friend. This is just an example. You can create any one of your own choice. Now, how to do mail merge? It is very important. First of all, you need to click on tools in menu bar. There is an option mail merge. You can see here. When you click on mail merge wizard, you will see the first step of mail merge, which is select starting document. This is a dialog box. Now it will ask you to select the document upon which to base the mail merge document. Like use the current document, create a new document, start from existing document, and start from template. Here I have written an application or a letter. Then I will click on next simply because it is already highlighted the use the current document. Second step is select document type. What type of document you want to create, letter or email message? Here I have selected letter, then click on next. Third step is insert address block. This is very important step. When you click on next, you will see this dialog box. There is an option select address list. When you click over there, a new dialog box will open up, which is select address list. Here there are an option add, create, filter. When you click on add, you will see there are number of address information fields like title, first name. We can customize it, means we can add a new one, or we can delete from the current list by simply clicking on customize. This is a customized address list. Whatever you want to add, you can. If you want to delete, you can. If you want to rename, you can. Once I'll done this step, you will see another window, which is this. As I have deleted other fields and I have added only these fields in my new address list. You need to fill the information which I have filled over here. You can see title, first name, last name, gender, address line 1, state, telephone number, email address. When again you click on next, you will add another address information. You can add as many as you want. Here I have created 4 address information. After this, you can click on OK. It will open up this dialog box in which you need to save your address information list. You can write any name over here and click on save. When you click on save, you will see here the name of the address list is data, and you can click OK. Now, when you click on OK, this dialog box will open up. In this, it will create an address box with following address information like title, first name, last name, address, zip, city. And when you click on, you can select any one, then you click on next. The next step is create salutation. Salutation means you can here write any of the salutation for female or male, like dear Mrs. last name, dear Mr. last name. These are predefined options. You can select another one as well. I have not changed, and you can create new one as well by clicking on new. After this, click on next. It will open up the fifth step, adjust layout. Here it is a layout. If you want to change the alignment to the text body from top, you can, and then click on next, or you can simply click on yes, next. Edit document. When the edit document will open up in this dialog box. If you want to edit the document, click on edit document, otherwise click on next. Now the next step is seventh step, personalized document. Here individually you can edit the documents if you want by clicking on edit individual document. Otherwise you can click on next. The last step is save, print or send. When you open this dialog box, you can see on your screen will open up. There is an option save starting document, save merge document, print merge document, or send merge document as email. Select any of one of the option, and then by clicking on save starting document, it will open up the next dialog box. You need to click on finish, then a writer will open up like this. Here I told you I have written 4 address information. 2 of them is there. According to your own choice, you can create address list as many as you want. In this dialog box, you can see here all the 8 steps, each step followed by the another step. So you need to know how to do these steps. The very important step is insert address block. I'm again repeating this step because in other step you just need to click on next, but in that step you need to create address list. How to create? I'm again repeating. Simply select address list. A dialog box will open up. Click on add. New address list dialog box will open up. Click on customize. You can customize the address information. Then you need to add the information as many as you want. Save it with any name. Then click on OK. Then mail merge wizard option show you insert address block in this way, in which you can see the document how it will show the address block. In other step you just need to click on next. After saving and printing step, you will see your end result. I hope you understand this. Thank you.